was taught that the formula for success was to go to school, get a degree, and get a good job. After 20 years in corporate America, I realized that this success formula, it all adds up to this. My name is Kathy Jackson, and I started Deja Hue in October of 2015. And I did start the recruiting practice for a mid-level, privately owned manufacturing organization. And they told me that I was not qualified to run the department. You know how Monday mornings feel? Oh my God, I didn't want to go to work, and I work from home. I'm going to venture to guess that if some of you out here like me, that the first season of your life you worked for somebody else. You had to help build their business, but we were learning the fundamentals. See, you learned how to do bookkeeping, you learned how to treat customers, you learned how to manage people and projects, you learned how to come up with a solution when there was no solution for somebody else's business. All things that are necessary to run a successful business.
Well, Kathy, please tell me, why are you looking at new opportunities? Why do you want to leave your current position? I've been with the company for 3 years, and I started the recruiting practice, and now it's up and running, and I'm looking for that next level challenge.
In corporate America, I learned if you don't know how to do it, get a subject matter expert. Pay somebody to do it. Who knows? We hosted the largest paint and sip party that I'm aware of. 330 women painting and sipping, all in the same venue. Now, as you can see, it doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to be perfectly you. Once they were established, then we had restaurants, we had theaters, we had grocery stores, and so it really helps to build up the community. If you just keep swinging, you can create some generational wealth for your family, you can create some freedom for yourself, and you can help create a thriving community just like we did in the past. We're currently working on it, but the future is right here.